Hey, how's it going? It's Catherine Montez, and welcome again to my channel. If you have not yet, go ahead and hit subscribe and hit that little bell so anytime that I make a new video, you will be notified. So today, I just wanted to hit on a topic that it's something that a lot of rookies do, and not even rookies, a lot of people that have possibly been in network marketing for a long time, they still seem to be doing this one thing that it really just it doesn't really give you any results because there's no connection, there's no attachment. And what I wanted to say is just like the topic today is cold messaging. When you are trying to have a successful network marketing business, everything's online. So you're connecting a lot with strangers on a daily. It's social media, so you socialize with people. And I come across this every time, like every single day, because it still even happens to me. It's not something that I do, but it's something that, I come across every single day, especially when people try to, you know, message me their opportunity, and you click on the message and it's just like a paragraph long of information that's overwhelming, and it's something that I didn't even ask for. So this is how cold messaging can actually ruin your chances of getting those warm leads, those people that actually want information in your business. Because just think of it this way, we're on social media. You get a lot of people that they're not trained very well. They jump into an opportunity and they're not given all the proper tools. It's kind of like, here's my link, you sign up, and then you never hear from the person that you signed up with ever again. And a lot of people, they suffer with this and they have a really bad experience. So it's not anything that is it's your fault, but just be mindful that if you're not given the proper tools, you can look for different resources such as YouTube and get the proper training on how to network market and how to get actual warm referrals that are going to be interested in your opportunity. So why should you not cold message anybody? Why? Because it just looks like you're spamming. Me personally, if I go through my messages and I just get a random message and you're telling me that I could make such and such amount of money with this business, but I never asked for it. It's just kind of like when you have gentlemen send inappropriate pictures to women and they didn't even ask for it. So it's kind of like the same sense. It's kind of like one of those pics that you do not want, you did not request, and it just pops up. So it makes you, as trying to be a professional, a business owner, trying to, make this opportunity that you are excited for, it kind of makes it look like a scam. Even though it's not, and it might be 100% legit, and you have seen some, success out of it, but to increase your results, to start seeing, actual success, stop cold messaging. There's many ways that you can ask someone if they want to be part of your opportunity, if they can use the services or the product. So if you just go into people's, inbox and then just start randomly sending your link, two things can possibly happen. One, they're going to block you. They're not even going to take the time to read it. Why? Because you're just throwing it in their face. They didn't ask you for the information. And number two, instead of blocking you, they're probably going to report you. And then there's a chance that Facebook might even put you on, in Facebook jail. And for those of you that don't know what Facebook jail is, it's when they limit you from either messaging people or posting in work from home groups. So now your platform's limited unless you start using different platforms. But if you use one in particular and you start getting reported or you get put in Facebook jail, well, your what's the word? I got sidetracked. your ability to go ahead and try to promote your business goes from here to here. And the only chance that you have is probably promoting on your profile, which I still highly recommend that you do on a daily basis. But now you're not able to get your business card out there per se. You're going to be either, blocked for a week, maybe a month, depending on what Facebook wants to throw you as a consequence. So they can probably even shut down your account. So these are little things, little tips that you want to, be mindful of, because you don't want to cold message. If someone does ask you for information, then go ahead. That gives you the opening to be in their inbox. They're actually inviting you to send them the information, and you have someone that is legit interested, opposed to just randomly just sending your link off to a whole bunch of people and they never even open it. If you send it to 100 people, out of those 100 you might get 5 that actually open it, and who knows if you even get a sign up from it. And if you really start spamming people like that, you can go ahead and get put on Facebook jail, or they can block your account completely. You'll just have to start from scratch. So there are consequences to cold messaging, and it just doesn't look professional on your end. You want to have a nice image when you're presenting the business or the company that you're a part of. And like I said, I know you're excited about it and you want to share it with a lot of people, but share it with people that actually showed interest. Don't just message them randomly. You want to make sure that you build that relationship, that rapport with people before you just start throwing links and they don't even know what it is, so they're not even going to open it. Me personally, I would just probably go ahead and delete it and just put it in my trash, to be honest, because I didn't ask you for it. So just be mindful of that. Try not to cold message. There's many other ways and techniques to get people interested in your opportunity and ask you for legit info, and that way you'll be able to start getting the signups, quality signups, opposed to just not really caring and taking the easy way out. And just because you see someone asking for information, it can be on somebody else's profile, and then you just want to go ahead and try to steal that lead. It's not going to be a good look for you. It's actually something that it aggravates people a lot. So that is my time on that topic. Try not to cold message. There are different other ways to start growing your lead list, but definitely try to stay away from cold messaging. It makes you look desperate. It makes you look unprofessional. And then it starts putting people, if they're already skeptical as it is, and if you're sending them just some random link to some random business, they even become even more skeptical, and now they're just annoyed. So I'm going to try to go ahead and, make more videos, informative videos that will help you guys, even if you guys are newbies in the network marketing business, or you've been in the network marketing business for quite some time, but you haven't seen the results that you wanted to. I'm going to try my best to keep, pushing out this content to help you guys out and grow. So with that being said, you guys have a blessed day, and I'll talk to you soon.